In today's video, we will compare two popular video quality enhancement software, Topaz and HitPaw Video Enhancer. If you happen to have the need to enhance video quality, this video will definitely help you. First is HitPaw Video Enhancer. Download the free trial version from the link provided in the summary section. Once you open the software, load the video you want to improve in quality. The screen structure is like this. Click on the scissors mark top. You can select the area you want to improve quality from the loaded video. You can select an AI model from the right side. Portrait models are suitable for high-quality images of people. General denoising models can be used universally. Anime-specific models are suitable for anime footage. You can also download and use various other AI models. This time, we will use a portrait model. Set resolution. Select output format. Click preview effect. The process will be completed in no time. Compared to the original video, the surface is smoother and the shadows are clearer. If there are no problems, export and save. HitPaw Video Enhancer has many other features as well. Please try using it in conjunction with other functions. Next, I will introduce Topaz Video AI. Topaz Video AI is a standard software for improving video quality. Once you open the software, load the video you want to improve in quality. If you select 4K in preset, the detailed settings at the bottom will be automatically optimized. Change the detailed settings as you like. Click Preview. If you don't like the preview results, tweak the advanced settings. Since it is a standard software, even if you set it appropriately, the quality of high definition is very high. However, the settings are too complicated and difficult to use. After setting the resolution and output format, let's export. This time with Topaz Video AI. We introduced HitPaw Video Enhancer. High quality and easy to use even for beginners. We recommend HitPaw Video Enhancer. Thank you for your viewing.